We are going to do a song by Mr. Emmanuel Owusu. He's a big brother, and this is not even the key that he does it in, but because on this channel we do the key of F mostly, it's just to learn the chords and also be able to transcribe it into other keys to make it very easy for you to play in any other key that you want. So we're going to use the key of F. The song is called Wo Chen Wo Nyina, so that's what we're going to do now. The whole point is to learn, the foundational chords, okay, of the song. Wochen wonina, obiara shi wona se somwo. Wochen wonina, obiara kotowo. Wochen wonina, obiara shi wona se somwo. Wochen wonina, obiara kotowo. Okay, so let's do this first, but Wochen wonina. So on the right it's B flat, D and F, which is Fa, La and Do. And then for the left is G, D, G, F and G. Okay, so it's G, D, F and G, which is Re, La, Do and Re. Okay, so Wochen wonina. Okay, Wochen wonina, obiara shi obiara. So that one is So. So it's So and Re, which is for the left, and then for the right is So, La and Ti. Okay, obiara shi. Okay, so we are not playing the actual melody, we are only playing the chords to accompany it. Okay, so Wochen wonina, obiara shi wona se. Okay, Wochen wonina. Okay, Wochen wonina, obiara shi wona se, na se. This one is A and E for the left, which is Me and T. And for the right it's Re, Mi and So, which is G, A and C. Okay, so Wochen wonina, obiara shi wona se somwo. For the left is D, D, which is La and La. And then for the right it's D, D, yeah, D, Mi and So, which is F sharp, A and C. So let's start all over again. Wochen wonina, obiara shi wona se somwo. Wochen wonina. This is Fi. So yeah, for the left we go to G, G. Wochen wonina. And then for the right is B, D and F, which is Fi, La and Do. And for the left is Re, Re. Okay, Wochen wonina. Okay, so let's start all over again to Wochen wonina. Okay, Wochen wonina, obiara shi wona se somwo. Wochen wonina. Okay, Chen wonina, nina, obiara kotuwo, obiara kotuwo, obiara. So that one you can use C and B flat, which is So and Fa. And then for the right is So, La and Ti, which is C, D, E. So then you go to F, the home chord, which is F, F, Do, Do, and then A, C, and F, which is Mi, So, and Do. Okay, so let's start all over. Wochen wonina, obiara shi wona se somwo. Wochen wonina, obiara kotuwo. Wochen wonina, obiara shi wona se somwo. then we go to Atiasi 4-9, Atiasi 4-9, okay, Atiasi 4-9, which is fa. For the left. This one, the chords change pretty quickly, okay, so I'll go through it with you, don't worry. So the left will be fa and do for the left, and then which is fa, do, which is B flat and F. And then for the right is B flat, D, and F. So Atiasi 4-9, sorry, Atiasi 4-9, okay. Impenyim forward, okay. So it's from B flat to F to B flat to G, okay. It's a very subtle change, but it makes so much sense. And then from the right is this, from B flat, D, F to C, D, E. Okay, we've done that already. So Atiasi 4-9, Impenyim forward, okay. Okay, so let's start again. Atiasi 4-9, Impenyim forward, Dio nu 9. We've done this chord already. Okay. And then we've done this one too already. Wakuto wo sorry wo. We've done this. Washi wo na sisomo da. I'm not sure this one is in his music score. I'm not sure. And whatever we are playing might not be there, but it's just the foundational chords. These are what the melody is founded on, okay? So for the purposes of accompaniment, Atiasi 4-9, Impenyim forward Dio nu 9, Wakuto wo sorry wo, Washe wo na sisomo wo da, Apafo kuto wo, Wakase kron, if we say one kwana wo fata da, ye ni anyonyam. Atiasi 4-9, Impenyim forward Dio nu 9, Wakuto wo sorry wo, Washe wo na sisomo wo da, Apafo kuto wo, Wakase kron, if we say one kwana wo fata da, ye ni anyonyam. So Atiasi 4-9, okay, he sang it twice, but the second one changes. So the first one is what we've done. Atiasi 4-9, Impenyim forward Dio nu 9, Wakuto wo sorry wo, Washe wo na sisomo wo da, Apafo kuto wo, Wakase kron, if we say one kwana wo fata da, ye ni anyonyam. And then that's why it changes. Atiasi 4-9, Impenyim forward Dio nu 9. So that's the only chord that changes, okay? So Atiasi 4-9, Impenyim forward. So that one is T, which is E, okay, for the left, and then for the right it's A flat and La, which is Re and D. Sorry, which is A flat and D. Re and La. Okay, yeah. Sorry. So Atiasi 4-9, Impenyim forward Dio nu 9, Wakuto wo sorry wo. So it's the same chords that we've done already, okay? But the second Atiasi 4-9, that is how everything changes there. But it's just one chord, which made it feel like it's been varied on all levels, okay? It's like, yeah, you played a little variation there, but it doesn't take much. It's just only that chord, and then you continue from where we ended. So let's start the whole thing. Wochen wonyina Obiara shiwuna sisomwo. Ochen wonina. Obiara kotowo. Ochen wonina. Obiara shiwuna sisomwo. Ochen wonina. Obiara kotowo. Atiasifo nai. Mpenyimfo aduonu nai. Wakotowo soriwo. Wahwewo na sesomo da. Abafo wakotowo. Wakasa kron 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 kron. Efisa unkwana wofata dada yini enionyam. Atiasifo nai. Mpenyimfo aduonu nai. Wakotowo soriwo. Wahwewo na sesomo da. Abafo wakotowo. Wakasa kron 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 kron. Efisa unkwana wofata dada yini enionyam. Wochen wonyina. Obiara shiwona sisomwo. Wochen wonyina. Obiara kotowo. Wona wofata. Wochen wonyina. Obiara shiwona sisomwo. Wochen wonyina. Obiara kotowo. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next tutorial.